Leslie, I know when you moved into this home, there was no fireplace in this house. And voila, you created a fireplace. How did you do this?
So we started with just a basic structure, built it up to the vault there, and just kept adding layers on top of it to make it look like a real existing fireplace that's been there forever. I started with the box and just added the molding on top of it. The box had a cutout for the firebox. The surround is meant to look like a marble surround in like an old English country manner. And I started the proportions and how everything fits together. The other great thing about this particular mantle is that it's low enough for the TV.
Yes, and you're not straining your neck.
Right. So that's why the proportions of this are really nice.
I love it. And what is this material? So it looks like marble, but what is it really?
It's actually wood. It's all wood. It is all wood. 10 pieces of molding all fit together just perfectly so.
Wow. And the inside, is that real tile or is that
That is
wood?
real tile, yes.
Okay, that's tile. So you tiled the box.
I tiled the box and tiled the floor with the marble.
Okay.
And the finish on this is actually lime wash so that it looks like stone. We live in Alabama. It's only cold for so long. I really, the aesthetics are probably more important to me than the heat, obviously, because it's not a functioning fireplace, but it looks realistic, and that was what was really important to me.
When you all are looking at different design elements and ways to do things, this is a great example, Leslie, of just thinking outside of the box.